Hi guys, let's talk now about the last window, which is the inspector window. The inspector window helps you to set up features of each game object, like the value of its transform, I mean the position, the rotation, or the scale in the scene of this game object. You can even insert some scripts to control the behavior of this game object. And you can even add some layer. Uh, let's see that now. So if I want, for example, to manipulate the first one, which is here, so I can select it on clicking on it, and I can move it, for example, through the transform position. For example, I can change its axis, I mean the X value. For example, I just have to move the mouse like that, you know. If I want to change the Y value, I mean, I can do the same process. Okay, it come below, it come up now. Or even, I can directly change its value here. For example, I put number 3. Okay. I can even, do some other stuff. Like I can control, its rotation. For example, if I want to rotate this purse around the x x coordinate, sorry, the z coordinate, I can just change the number here. For example, from 6, I can put, for example, 123, for example. Okay, we've seen that it's rotating. Or I can simply click on the Z and change the value like that. Okay. We can even change the last transform, I mean the scale. For example, if I want that the purse become much more bigger in the X direction, I can do like that. In the Y position, I can do like that. Okay. Guys, we can do the same manipulation of the transform uh, by just using those three icon tools. For example, if I want to change the position in the scene of the purse, you just need to select this icon. This is the move tool. And for example, if I decide to put this purse at the right of this one, I can do like that. If I want to rotate it, I just need to select the rotate tool here, and then you can manipulate like that the angle. And if you want now to change the scale because you feel it's too big, for example, you just need to select the scale tool here and then have to click here at the center. Here we go. And if you want to change, for example, only one direction, for example, here is the X direction, you just need to do that. If you want to change the Y direction, you can even do that. Okay,